The other day, I opened the cabinet under my sink and was instantly hit by this wall of bleach and ammonia fumes. I started looking at the warning labels on all those plastic bottles and thought, this is crazy. There has to be a better way to clean my home without filling it with harsh chemicals and words I can't even pronounce. Honestly, I'm just over it. I want to know exactly what I'm spraying on the counters where my kids eat and the floors where my pets walk. So today, that's it. I'm getting rid of all of it. I'm building a complete all-natural cleaning kit from scratch using simple, cheap ingredients you probably already have. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it too. It's way easier than you think, it's incredibly inexpensive, and the best part? It actually works. Section 1. The why and the core ingredients. Before we start mixing, let's quickly talk about the why. For me, it comes down to three things: health, the planet, and my wallet. Many regular cleaners pump something called volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, into the air, which can trigger everything from headaches to skin irritation. Switching to natural ingredients just makes the air in our homes healthier to breathe. Simple as that. Then there's the environmental side. We're ditching the endless cycle of single-use plastic bottles and nasty chemicals going down our drains. But the best part? The cost. You will be shocked at how much money you save. We're talking pennies a bottle. A giant jug of vinegar and a box of baking soda will cost you less than one bottle of most fancy brand-name cleaners. So, what are our secret weapons? I call them the Core 4. First up, distilled white vinegar. This stuff is an absolute powerhouse. It's a mild acid, perfect for cutting through grease, zapping hard water spots, and getting rid of funky smells. Second, baking soda. This is our gentle but mighty scrubber. It scours surfaces without scratching them and is a total miracle worker for absorbing nasty odors. Third on our list is castile soap. This is just a simple vegetable-based soap that's completely biodegradable. It's a true multitasker that's amazing at lifting and washing away dirt. And finally, essential oils. Now these aren't just for making things smell pretty. Oils like lemon, tea tree, and lavender have some natural antimicrobial properties, which give our cleaners a little extra oomph. We'll be mixing everything in these beautiful, reusable glass spray bottles. This isn't just for looks, it's a key step. Certain essential oils can break down plastic over time, and this way, we don't have to worry about anything from the plastic leaching into our clean, natural mixtures. Section 2. The agenda, building our kit. My goal today is to arm you with a starter kit that can tackle more than 90% of the cleaning jobs around your house. We're going to make 4 essential, hard-working cleaners. First, an all-purpose spray for pretty much any surface or spill. Second, a truly streak-free glass and mirror cleaner. Third, a tough bathroom soft scrub for soap scum and grime. And finally, a ridiculously simple 2-ingredient carpet and rug refresher. By the end of this, you'll have a full arsenal of non-toxic, effective cleaners ready to go. Section 3. Recipe 1. The all-purpose cleaner. All right, first up is the workhorse of our entire kit. This is the spray you'll reach for every single day, for wiping down kitchen counters, cleaning smudges off appliances, and tackling all those little random spills. The recipe couldn't be simpler. Grab your first glass spray bottle. To that, we're going to add 2 cups of water. Using distilled water is best since it won't leave any mineral spots. All made in minutes, for just a few dollars, with ingredients you can actually feel good about. It feels so empowering to take back control of the products you bring into your home. Please don't feel like you have to do this all at once. Just start with 1. Mix up the all-purpose spray this week and see how you like it. Small, simple changes are what build lasting habits. To make it super easy for you to get started, I've put all of these recipes into a free, printable guide over on my blog. The link is right at the top of the description box below. Now I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite natural cleaning hack or recipe? Share it in the comments below. Let's all learn from each other. If you enjoyed this and want more simple ways to create a healthy, natural home, please hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks so much for hanging out and cleaning with me today. I'll see you in the next one.